started. We'll have school. There was one day where Bonneville had no power, and the bus showed up to our stop and was like, yeah, your school doesn't have power, but they told us to pick you up anyway, and we'll just hang out in case we need to take you home.
No.
People are giving, they're giving up. They're giving up on the light.
Chris is going to be having so much fun editing.
I'm thinking about going through the damn parking lot. How many cycles of this light have we been sitting here through? And they're going around behind me to get over there too. Hey, it just changed. I'm going for it.
And that's one accident. We're in a hurry. We gotta go. We can't be stuck here at this light 15 minutes. Us drivers will just complain about it.
And there's that same truck, and I'm gonna go past him.
We all should just have waved at them and went by. Huh?
Sneak in there, dude. Are you gonna stop or not? Walk around the car. Good morning.